In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Kick Stream not working, whether the stream won't load or just keeps buffering or just won't start at all. So the first thing you want to check is whether Kick servers are down or not. So either you want to go onto Kick's official Twitter or X account and see if the servers are down or not, look for any latest information posted by the official account, or you can go to a site called Down Detector, downdetector.com. Here you just want to search up Kick, click on Kick, and just see any reports or any major number of reports in the last 24 hours. As of now, there have been no major reports. It's just one or two between a couple hour intervals, and that's nothing major. Now, sometimes even if the servers are not down, you might still be facing issues. And so the next thing you want to see is check your internet speed. Just go to speedtest.com, .net or fast.com just to make sure your speed or your internet speed is at least above 5 Mbps for smooth streaming. If it's low, restart your router or switch to a wired connection or mobile data to test. Now, if this still does not work, and if you're on a computer and Kick streams won't load, it might be a browser cache issue. So what you want to do is in Chrome, go to settings, then go to privacy and security and try deleting or clear your browsing data and clear cache plus cookies and then reopen Kick and try again. That might just fix your issue. If it still does not fix, then sometimes you just should try a simple restart. Close the Kick app or tab completely, reopen it and log in again. If you're using Chrome or Safari, you can also try opening Kick in an incognito window. This disables extensions that might interfere. If it still does not work, extensions such as ad blockers can break Kick's player. So try disabling them temporarily, especially ad blockers or VPNs and or privacy extensions. After disabling, refresh Kick and test if the stream loads. If it still does not work, then maybe switching browsers or devices could help. Try Edge or Opera GX or Brave if you're in Chrome, or try Kick's mobile app if you're in PC. Sometimes browser compatibility issues cause the video player to fail. Now, if it still does not work, make sure you're using the latest version of your browser or the Kick app. Update fixed video, it updates fixed video playback bugs and improve compatibility with Kick's player. Now, if none of these works, I have some bonus fixes. Turn off any VPN or proxy services, like I said before. Check your system clock. If your time is off, it can break streaming tokens. And try reducing Kick's playback quality from 1080p to 720p. And lastly, just try restarting your device completely. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.